Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bolts app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Bolts app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.